Hey there, welcome back to How to Fix Techie. If you're a developer or creator working with Pinterest, maybe you want to fetch pins, boards, or analytics, then you'll need access to the Pinterest API, but the process can feel complicated. So in this video, I'll break it down and show you exactly how to get your Pinterest API key step by step. First, go to developers.pinterest.com and log in using your Pinterest account. Now, click on the Apps section in the top navigation. Here, click Create App, give your app a name, for example, My Pinterest App, and a short description like Testing API Integration. Agree to the terms and click Create. Once your app is created, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can see your app ID and secret key. To start making API calls, you'll need an access token. Click on OAuth and generate a token by selecting your app and choosing the necessary permissions, like reading boards, pins, or account info. Copy your access token. You'll use this in your code to connect to Pinterest. Now you're ready to make requests using their official API documentation or with tools like Postman. Just remember, if you're using the API for public apps, Pinterest will review your use and may request additional approval. That's it. Now you've got access to the Pinterest API in under 3 minutes. If you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel How to Fix Techie and press the bell icon so you never miss any update.